This is a journey through the smartest flip phones Motorola has ever built. Get ready, because this isn't just nostalgia. This is a full-blown tech revolution. Let's start with the basics. Motorola has officially gone all in on AI. For the first time, the new Razr lineup isn't just about flipping and flexing. It's about thinking. Motorola has packed the Razr series with in-house AI and third-party AI tools. Imagine having Google's Gemini, Microsoft's Copilot, and even Perplexity AI all pre-installed. Your Razr is basically a mini AI assistant in your hand. And that's not just marketing fluff. Thanks to Moto AI, you can now perform faster searches, manage tasks with natural conversation, and even personalize your phone like never before, all by simply talking to it. But wait, Motorola didn't stop at software. They seriously upgraded the hardware too. First up, the build quality. All three models, Razr, Razr Plus, and Razr Ultra, are now reinforced with a new titanium hinge plate. It's 4 times stronger than previous generations. You can now fold and unfold your phone 35% more times without worrying about the hinge breaking down. The external glass is thinner too, which means that ugly crease in the middle, yeah, it's way less noticeable now. Plus, they've achieved IP48 water and dust resistance. A big deal because foldables usually suck at dust protection. If you drop your phone, and let's be real, we all do, the Razr Ultra steps up with Gorilla Glass ceramic, 10 times better drop protection compared to regular glass. It's like putting an armor shield on your flip phone. Now what about looks? Because if you're buying a Razr, you definitely care about style. Motorola has taken color and texture very seriously. Forget boring black and white. The Razr 2025 family comes in rich, bold colors. Rio Red, Mountain Trail, which actually uses real FSC certified wood, Scarab, crafted from luxurious Italian Alcantara, and Cabaret, a satin finish beauty. And it's not just the colors. The textures feel premium too. Soft, luxurious, and distinctly different depending on which model you pick. Now let's talk displays, because Motorola is throwing everything at us. The Razr 2025 gives you a 6.9-inch AMOLED main screen with 120Hz refresh rate plus a 3.6-inch external screen. The Razr Plus 2025 bumps that up with a 4-inch external screen and 165Hz insane refresh rates on both screens. Yes, you heard it right. Butter smooth. But the Razr Ultra 2025? This beast gives you the largest screen Motorola has ever put in a flip phone, 7 inches. Thanks to thinner bezels, you get a gigantic display experience when flipped open. And it's still super lightweight. In terms of power, Motorola has clearly differentiated each model. The Razr starts with the MediaTek Dimensity 7400X and 8GB RAM, enough for casual users. The Razr Plus jumps up to Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 with 12GB RAM, a real performer. And the Razr Ultra, absolute beast mode with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite paired with a massive 16GB RAM. You can game, edit videos, and multitask like a pro. Storage also gets serious. The base Razr offers 256GB, but if you're picking the Ultra, you can go up to 1TB. That's laptop-level storage inside your pocket. Now, battery life, an area where foldables usually disappoint. But here, Motorola seems to have listened. The Razr Ultra rocks a 4,700 mAh battery, charges at 68 watts wired and 30 watts wireless. That's crazy fast. Faster than some flagship non-folding phones. Quick sip of coffee, your phone's already 50% charged. And let's not forget the cameras. On the Razr Ultra, you get a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel inner selfie camera. Yes, triple 50s. But what really stands out are the software tricks. Motorola introduces Signature Style, where you can create a personal look for your photos, adjust colors, tones, and apply that aesthetic automatically to every shot. Then there's Group Shot, a game changer. Say goodbye to photos where someone's always blinking. The phone merges multiple images to create the perfect group photo. Action Shot changes shutter speed dynamically to freeze fast-moving subjects. And Air Gesture lets you start video recording hands-free. Just wave your palm. Make a fist, and it stops recording. Magic exclamation mark plus. The Razr Ultra can record in Dolby Vision, which means true-to-life colors, cinematic quality video, right from your pocket. And remember that new AI button I mentioned? Exclusive to the Ultra model. A single press brings up Moto AI, making your phone instantly smarter, more responsive, and just easier. Price-wise, the new Razr starts at $700, making it one of the most affordable flip phones. The Razr Plus comes in at $1,000, balancing performance and luxury. And the Razr Ultra, a premium $1,300. But honestly, with all these features packed in, it's clear Motorola is aiming directly at Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip and even daring Apple to speed up that folding iPhone rumor. In short, the Motorola Razr 2025 lineup is not just back. It's better, smarter, and more stylish than ever. These are not gimmicks. These are serious, real-world improvements that actually make living with a foldable phone easier, more reliable, and, thanks to AI, much more personal. So the question is, are you ready to flip back to the future? Tell me in the comments, which Razr model do you think fits your lifestyle? Are you Team Ultra, Team Plus, or keeping it classic with the base Razr? If you love this deep dive, smash that like button, share it with your tech buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic gadget breakdowns every week.